Welcome back. Let's determine the infinite limit for this function as x approaches to 5. This means this function is undefined at 5, we already know, but we're looking at x as x is getting closer to 5 from the right hand side. It means we're looking at numbers greater than 5 to find the limit for this function. We can already tell just looking at this, like this is always going to end up into a positive number at top or bottom. And so the limit for this function is going to be a positive infinity, or you can write it down as infinite. And the other way is like you can always, if you're still unsure what is going on, um, you can always try in some closest values to 5 from the right hand side, which means greater than 5, as number is getting closer and closer to 5. So if you plug in 5.1 into this function, for example, 5.1 plus 1 over this is going, the limit for this function at 5.1 is 61. Getting more close to 5 with 5.01, the limit for this function seems to be 601. As you're getting more close, and this is getting bigger and bigger. So this means like as we're getting close to 5 from the right hand side, we are it's the number is getting bigger and bigger, right? Positive huge number. And this entails the limit for this function for numbers greater than 5 for x plus 1 over x minus 5 is equal to infinity. I hope this helps. Thank you.